What's happening, guys? It's the Stock Guru coming at you guys again. Today I'm just going to make a quick video about the brokerage that I use because I've been having a lot of questions about that lately. So, I want to make a video addressing it so everybody could know how I get down. So, I'll get right into it. Just to make it super short and simple for everybody that's wondering, I use the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform for my charts. But for trading, I actually use Robinhood on my phone. So that's the super short and simple answer to that. But I'll get into why I do it the way I do. So the reason I use Robinhood on my phone, I actually just started using it, is really just for the commissions, man. Because the way I'm trying to grow my account, I'm not trying to have these commissions eat away at all my gains. So it's really for the commissions. I used to use TD Ameritrade, and I just started getting sick of like the PDT rule and like trying to grow my account. It's the PDT rule doesn't really get in my way now. I am still under it, but anyway, I tried to get rid of that, so I went to SureTrader, which is like a Swiss trading account, and their commissions are also crazy too. And then that's when I just switched over to Robinhood. But I don't really like the charts on Robinhood, so all I really do on that is trade right off Robinhood. But I use my laptop, I use the computer from Thinkorswim platform for the charts. I think it's a lot more clear, all the studies to use on this. So yeah, that's just the way that I do it. A lot of people have been asking about the charts, so there it is. Thinkorswim from TD Ameritrade. If you want to get an account with them, I don't think you have to fund it. I think you could start a paper trading account with them, and then just get on the phone with them, and they'll be able to set it up so that you can get some real time data, and then you could download Robinhood on your phone or whatever you want to do and trade off something else if you want to do it that way. That's just what I personally do. I think it works the best for me. But yeah, I just wanted to answer everybody's questions out there. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you guys are coming from my Instagram, give me a subscribe on YouTube, show a little support. But yeah, guys, drop a comment and let me know if you have any questions or some advice on the videos. I'd love to hear it. But yeah, other than that, I guess I'm good. I'm out. Peace out, guys.